Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you once again to this channel today. This is Last Journey Talk. Okay, as you all know that this channel is known for financial education, so I'm bringing to your doorstep financial education at its peak. Okay, everyone knows that Solmax is more or less a long-term investment platform, and this is what I always say whenever I'm doing any video concerning Solmax. Solmax is not a get rich quick scheme and is not a Ponzi scheme, so it is more of a long-term investment. So you must have this at the back of your mind, that whenever you are coming into Solmax, you must be ready to be very, very patient. And whenever you are trying to bring in new people to Solmax, you must explain to them extensively that Solmax is more of a long-term investment. It's not what you are going to invest in a week or in a month and you'll be expecting a huge ROI, or you'll be expecting a particular time for you to withdraw your ROI or your profits, because they keep on giving us several updates on their development, about the platform, about the future development, and about what they have in place for us. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you the latest information, the latest update on Solmax I100 and 200 updates. So because in like 2 to 3 days ago, we were sent an email, we were given an update about the new back office in Ignita 200, and I have documented it, and I'm going to be sharing with you, and I will surely analyze it step by step today, what it simply means. Alright, but before I go further in this video, I would like to tell you that this video is brought to you courtesy of Last Journey Talk. So in this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next updates, not only on Solmax but on any other financial educational content that I always share on this platform. Okay, and also, if you found it to be very, very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family. And if you have any question concerning this video or any of the contents here, you can chat me up on WhatsApp, call me on phone, and you can message me through my email address. And also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on financial education there as well. Alright, once again, what we are considering today is the Solmax Ignita 100 and 200 latest updates. Alright, so now let me take you directly to the document that I've prepared from the information sent to us. Alright, so dear member, we've got some exciting news for you and all our members. We are delighted to let you know that the new back office is ready. We are currently finalizing the new marketing materials, training programs and videos. We plan to go live on 1st of December 2021. 1st of December 2021. So what does this information entails? So it means that there will be a new back office for Ignita 200. Initially, this is what we have. This is what we have for Ignita 200, Solmax Ignita 200. So, but they promise us that there will be a new back office whereby it is going to bring in new features. That is going to there are new features will be embedded in it that will be more user friendly, and it is going to be much better than this. So let me continue with the information that I have documented. You'll soon have access to our new and improved back office with some great new functions, and don't worry, we will be transferring over all of your balances, packages and credits at the same time. So it means that your balances here, that is my account, loyalty account, total bonus, cash account, SMG credits, network points and my team, all these tabs, all these functions will also be transferred to the new back office. So there is nothing like my credit is not appearing or my earnings is not reflecting in the new back office. So you are going to have access to all of these your functions, to all these tabs in the new back office. So but it will be more improved and it will be better than what we are having currently, what we are having presently now. So then the next information is that logging in and activating your new account is really quite easy, and we guide you through the process nearer the time. So okay, we've also been working on our marketing and branding, and we can't wait to show you the new look and feel. We are sure you like it. We are planning to launch it when we move over to the new system, so stay tuned for the further updates. It's an exciting time for the company as we move forward into 2022. Alright, so all these things that Solmax keeps telling us is all about their projects, because they have both internal and external projects, and they are trying to facilitate more of the external projects so that it can shoot up the price of the SMG token, because SMG token will be used for many transactions. It will be used for many transactions, whereby it's going to increase the level of the adoption of SMG token. So, and afterward is going to increase the price, and that is what we are all expecting, especially for those that invested in Ignita 200, as we all know that Ignita 100 is still on the verge of getting listed in the London Stock Exchange, as we are waiting in anticipation for the time that we are going to get another update about I100. Though it's been like more than a year now that many have invested therein, and they have never get a dime out of it, but I can still say that the field is green. So you don't need to be panicked, you don't need to be worried about that. Just keep your hope alive, and I believe that in a very short period of time everything will turn to our favor. So just know that Solmax is more of a long-term investment platform. Whenever you are bringing in new people, don't tell them that in a month you are going to get your profit, you are going to get your capital, you are going to get all this. Don't promise them even an errors because you want to recruit them or because you want to win a referral commission on any of their investments. So just tell them the plain truth, tell them what it entails, tell them what they are going to face, and if they are interested in it, I believe that the wait is it's really worth it. For instance, the price of SMG token now is 0.01 from SMG platform itself, but on the exchange site it's around 0.065. That is 0.065. So nobody knows how much it can worth in the nearest month, in the nearest future. So let's assume you are having like 2,000 tokens, 2,000 SMG tokens, and you got it at the rate of 0.01, which is 1 cent, and it costs $1 or more than that in the nearest future. Let's say in the next 3 months. Do you know how much that's what can fetch you? So, and this is where we are heading to. You just need to be very, very patient, and whenever you are investing in Solmax, don't expect immediate remuneration. Okay, so that is just the bitter truth about Solmax, and that is the bitter truth about it. Actually, I also tried to withdraw some of my earnings in SMG Ignita 200 last week, but till now it has not been credited, and this is some of the features. This is caused by the update, by the development that they are doing on the recent. So it can slow down the pace of withdrawal, and it can slow down the pace of depositing or buying an investment package. So but you just need to know that the future is bright, the field is green. Don't be panicked, and whenever you are bringing in new people, don't lie to them. Tell them the truth about this platform, and if they are interested, fine, and if they are not, let them go on their way. So that is the latest information that I have for you about Solmax Ignita 100 and 200. So, and also, if you are still contemplating about joining Solmax, then I think you are still wasting your time, because very soon Ignita 200 will also come to an end, whereby you won't be able to acquire SMG token again, and you are going to buy it at a very high cost in the market, in the exchange market site. All right, so this is where I'm going to be stopping for today. Don't forget, this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojani Stock. So for that reason, you need to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more awareness on the next updates. And if you have any question, just check the comment section of this video, and also check the description box for more information. All right, have a wonderful day ahead. Meet me in the next video. Bye for now.